Alright guys, welcome back to Garage Vibes. We have great vibes for you guys. We have the Doomsday Barrage and we can't wait to show you what's inside of this box. So let's dip inside this box one time and show you what's going on. Alright, let's open up this box and show you the vibes. Let's get inside it right now. It's a cool truck and we're gonna show you what comes in this box. Alright, vibes of vibes, people. Let's see what's in here. Cool. Alright, so this is your truck right here. A special edition. Real cool looking truck. Wow, look at that rusty look. Yeah, wicked. Wow, nice details. I like that, guys. Yeah, nice rusty look. And we got a little skull behind here for the Doomsday, and this is a special edition. Really simple built. Yeah, we got some nice bounce back on the shocks. And let's pop the pins out so I can show you underneath, show you what's going on. And you know, I can't wait to take this on the trail to show you guys how it performs. Okay. Alright, so it comes with 2 headlamps. So this thing's gonna light up for you. Let's put the body on the side. Let's take a look at it. It's really cool. Comes with your battery ready to run. All you gotta do is plug this in right here and we're good to go. So we're gonna plug this in and see what happens. Alright, so we plugged in. We got your switch right here. Turn this on. We're good to go. Yep, very simple. Very simple, guys. Nice spring back. Yep, the tires pretty, what can I say about the tires? It's firm, it's very firm. The grips are not too thick on the tires, but that's alright. It's got a really cool vibes going on here. Very simple. We got steering servo up front here. We got radio controller up here, receiver. Yep. And your motor down here. And really cool. When I tell you it's simple, so simple. Yep, and it's a 4x4 all the way around, so it's really cool. The arms that hold it up at the bottom here is metal, and we got some plastic dry shafts back here, so that's cool. The battery is right here. They're already locked in down for you. I'm just gonna pop this up and show you guys what's going on. So this is your ready to run battery, 7.2 volt. It's not too much to it, you know. And let's pop it back in there. Simple like that. Very small battery. And so far I like the simpleness about it. It's a 6-cell. Servo seems to be moving nicely. Let me see what else we got in the box so I can show you guys. In the box here we got the radio. So we got the radio, we got our manual, we got, it comes with batteries to put into the controller, which is 4 batteries, AA batteries. And let's pop this out one time. 4 AA batteries. You get some stickers, cool. And we got our guidebook here. And what is that little stuff right here? I'm not sure what is that little thing, but there is some piece of plastic in here. And of course your manual to tell you what's going on with this little Doomsday. Give you all the directions here, you know. Alright, let's get on to the real beefy stuff. Let's get on to the radio. put in the battery, take this little guy for a spin, show you how it goes. This battery up and put this in. So it's very simple. It's not much to this little truck, but I can't wait to see what it does on the trail. Okay, there we go. Okay, very simple. The controller is not too heavy. It's light. Yeah, very light. So we're gonna turn this off for a minute, and I'm trying to find a switch for the controller. Where do you switch this little guy on? It's a 2.4 gigahertz controller. 2.4, and I guess we got our trim right here for a little antenna. Steering feel very slick. The trigger feel very smooth. I don't notice any way to turn this thing on, but what is all that? Let's see what's going on back here. Oh, there you go, guys. There you go. You got your off and on switch right here. There we go, we on. Yep. And we got some other little things going on here, which I'm not sure about it. I guess it's different speed and stuff, but we'll figure this out as we go by. So we on. It's got a nice little latching case here to cover everything, you know. So let's turn this on, see what's going on. Okay, let's hold up this thing. Wow, very smooth. Very smooth. Let's see if we can change. Let's see what's going on here. Hey. So this here, when you turn it, this will be what is that? ST point TRM. I'm not sure what that is, but you see when you level up these things, that is for your steering, to level your steering. What is this guy saying? This here is your what? TH TRM. I'm not sure what that means. We got to get into the manual to see what's up with that. But there we go. And now we can only go forward. We cannot go backwards. Alright, there we go. We're going backwards. Alright. So let's see what's going on back here. Do we have different speed? Okay, steering. Okay, it's going for itself. Let's take that up. Guess that is kind of like a... Okay, that stopped. There we go. Hey, guys, it's crazy. Yeah, he's just doing his thing. Okay, let's keep all this off for now. We want to have control of this vehicle. So let's put it on. Put on the cover. We got this little clip here to turn on the headlights. That's it, guys. I got it. I got it. So we got two little orange light up front here. Let's pop this cover on. Put the clips back here on it. And you guys know what time it is. It's time to take it for a run, guys. The clip's going sideways, so it's not bad at all. It's a cool little truck. I like it. It's very light. Very light truck. Let's get these clips in there. And this is a special edition Doomsday. So okay. Alright, so let's take it on the trail, guys, see how it does.